GBV, GBV, gender-based violence. GBV, stop GBV, riding in a Lambo.
This escaped from the vault. It didn't get released. It escaped, bruh. What does riding in a Lambo have to do with GBV, bruh?
Bros, come. Hey, bros, our God is a merciful God.
What does riding in the Lambo have to do with stopping gender-based violence, bruh? Oh nah, dog, nah. Unrelease this, bro. Let me tell you something, bro. If you in varsity right now, bro, it's not too late to get the degree, gang. You ain't too late to get the degree. Stay in varsity and cook, bro. Do not drop out. Don't drop out. Because it's clear to me that you're never gonna make it out of the hood with this, bro. Come on, buddy.